Hi everyone, good morning. Today we are going to see that how to build the sunburst chart in Tableau desktop. Okay, so who are watching my channel, please subscribe and like it so I can add more new visualization to the how we can build with the Tableau desktop. Okay, let's move into that. Just jump into that how we can build that sunburst chart in Tableau. Okay, so if you want to build that, we need to create a simple calculation. Go for analysis, create calculated field, and here you can say that make point. Okay, so we have the function called as make point. So in the make point, mention that 0, comma 0. Okay, so, so just mention that 0, comma 0 and give it the center. Okay, give the name is center. Okay, the calculation is valid. Apply. Okay, click OK. So just double click on the center. Just double click on the what are the calculation we written field. The field is created, right? Just double click on that center field. Occurred and operation could not be completed. Unexpected error. Okay. So double click on it again. Okay. So can you see that its map is opening? Uh, let's wait for this. Yeah, this is a point we written for the center value of this. This is a point. Okay, so now I want to go for drag this. So category into colors and go for drop down here automatic, change it to the pie chart. Change it to the pie chart. Now you can see the three different colors for each category. So let's go for size, increase little bit. Okay, this is your pie chart, right? I can see that different categories and this. So now here we can go for drag the cells into angles. Drag the cells into angles. Okay. Now based on the cells, the angle of that pie can be changed. Okay. So the simple pie we created. Now just I want to make it as drag one more time. Now I can go for drag the center field again into the add map layers. So drag and drop it here. Okay, can we see that inside of this pie there is a circle is created? Yeah, that is again center. Okay, let's go for rename this center to subcategory. Okay, there is a another mark is there which we created first. Make this to the category. Okay, I have the category and subcategory. Two marks are there. Go for subcategory now. Okay, and go for drag the subcategory into colors. Okay, change this to pie chart. Change this to pie chart. Now you can see that inner part of it, it's creating different subcategories. All right. So just go here, size, increase the size of it little bit. Okay. Now you can see that all the different subcategories it. Now do one thing. This is the subcategory mark we have it, right? Just drag and drop it to bottom of this category. Okay, bottom down. So drop it here. So category is the first, then followed by the subcategory. Drop it. Now you can see that this is the first inner part is showing that category wise, the outer circle showing that subcategory wise. Okay, I want to bring that both the color formats are similar, category wise pie chart and subcategories. Drag the category also into color shell formats. Okay, category also into color shell format. So now you can see that, yeah, I can differentiate that. Meanwhile, you can go with increase the size of it little bit and similarly go for category and size, increase the size of it as well. Okay, the difference you want to find it. Okay, the difference you want to find it, what you have to do is go for drag the subcategory also. Details and make the subcategory into color. Okay. Okay, sorry, it is getting inner part. Take it out here. Take it out here and drag the category here in the color. Okay, now go for subcategory marks and drag the. Otherwise, we have hierarchy already. Click on that. Change it to colors. Now you can see that these are the different subcategory colors here. Okay, so I want to get the same color format here for this. So what we need to do is I go for color in borders. We have the epic borders are there. Add light white borders. Okay, better to go with this very light color. Okay, and similarly you can go with the category as well. Colors, borders option is there. Go for apply the borders for it. I can see. Okay, which are related to this. At the same time, what I do is I will sort this data descending order. How I can sort the data is you can go with the subcategory. Okay, and the subcategory field you can have the sorting. Click on sorting. Here you can see the descending order by field. The field I can select it. What based on we are sorting the data sales based on sales. Okay, select the sales. Now can you see that here I am getting all at the same time when I go for furniture wise also we are getting okay. Clear this. Yeah, what you need to do is here just click on Control J and go for category. We have the angle, right? Subcategory. Here we haven't dragged the sales here. Drag the sales into angle. Drag the sales into angle. Now you can see that proper order would be there. This is a descending order of the sales. Descending order of the sales. You can see it. We have the data. Next, if you want to go for drag the product also into the sunburst chart, so yes, we can do that. Go for drag the center again into the map layers. Click on here, drop it, and again one more circle is created here, right? See, one more circle is created. Just go for change that into the pie first. Okay, I change it to the pie, and then drag the category into colors, then drag the category into colors. Okay, and the size increase. So drag the product also, subcategory and product also into here. Drag the subcategory into detail. Okay, at the same time, you drag the product name also into detail. Okay, just make it as detail. Now go for size, increase the size of it. Okay, and the last part, the this is we have it right. This is the product level. Product. Okay, so go for drag this product to one bottom of next to the subcategory in the list. Okay, now you can see that these are all different products. Okay, so now you can go for changes subcategory to colors and product also into colors. Okay, no, don't go with the product. Let it be detail, only subcategory into colors. At the same time, you need to drag the cells into angles. Can we see it now? It's like all colors are proper format, all furniture related subcategories and one color, and the furniture related all products we have in the one color. Okay, so we can get it here. So what is the subcategory category and product name and subcategory, and what is the sales values we are getting here? Okay, this is the way we can get sunbar chart. So if you don't want this map background, just go for map level background map and make it as none. The map get disappears. And if you don't want to show this, like uncheck this show header, uncheck this show header, we can get hide it. And even there is a lines, right? I don't want to show that lines. Just go for format lines. We have the grid lines, make it as none. Zero lines, none. Okay, the lines also disappear. So even if you want to bring the total value one inside of it, yes, we can bring that. So how we can go for it? Just let me do that. Increase the size of product is high, and subcategory I want to be increased a little bit. Okay, it will be like this. And category I want to be increase the size of the circle bit. Okay, so let's go for drag one more time that center point to the max layer. Okay, and change it to the pie chart. Can you see the circle is created inside of? Okay, and increase the size of it a little bit. Okay, so now go for colors, make it as none. No color we are applying to it here, right? Okay, in that I want to bring that my sales, total sales value of that. Go for drag the sales into labels. Okay, just change that sales value to in millions, or go for measures of go for format, and font you can go for fine with 8, check that. And number format, go with custom, and make it display entities millions. Okay, can we see that 2.3 millions we have it here? So make it as bold. So this is the way we can build that sunburst. So we can build that sunburst. This is the new feature is added here in Tableau latest versions with using the mark layers. Creating mark layers, how we can build a sunburst. Okay, thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe and like the videos. Thank you everyone. See you in the next video.